students of BIPC. So here are the short series where we are going to give you complete exposure on all the questions of TG EAP set 2025. First, let us start with genetics. So there is one super tricky question that has appeared in the recent 2025 EAP set paper. If you look into it, the length of DNA, he said 510 angstroms. It has 20% of 6 aminopurine. 6 aminopurine means what nitrogen base beta? Adenine. Okay, immediately you have to catch. Next, find out total number of nucleotides and total hydrogen bonds in the DNA. What we have to find out? Number of nucleotides and number of hydrogen bonds. This we have to find out. First, just if you know 3 points and you know how to apply that, you can easily tackle this beta. First is one turn or one pitch of the DNA is of how much length? 34 angstroms length. One turn or one pitch is 34 angstroms length. So, what will be the number of turns in 150 angstroms which is given in the question? 510 angstroms, sorry. Here 510 angstroms. What will be the length of 510 angstroms? Then what you have to do? 510 by 34 will give you number of turns in the 510 angstroms length DNA. It is 15 turns. We all know that this basic point, right? One turn is equal to 10 base pairs. In that case, 15 turns will be equal to 150 base pairs. When one base pair is equal to 2 nucleotides, 150 into 2, total number of nucleotides are how much beta? 300 base pairs. Only two simple points we have applied here, that is one turn is having 10 base pairs, that is one concept, and one base pair is having 2 nucleotides. Just by applying these 2 points, we have got the number of nucleotides. Now we have to find out number of hydrogen bonds. How we will find out number of hydrogen bonds? By one more hint that is given in the question, that is 20% of 6 aminopurine, means 20% of this many nucleotides is of adenine. So, if you take 20% of 300 nucleotides, how you will identify, Nana? 300 into 20 by 100. It will give you 60 adenines. According to Chargaff's law, number of adenines will be equal to number of thymine, right? So, here 60 adenines means 60 thymine will be there. Now, what will be the ratio of other 2 nitrogen bases in the DNA? Simple beta. 300 minus 120 will give you 180. 180 by 2, that is 90 nitrogen bases. 90 guanine and 90 cytosine are present here. It is easy to find out hydrogen bonds now. That is 60 into 2, because adenine pairs with 2 hydrogen bonds to thymine, right? So 60 into 2 is 120 hydrogen bonds here. Guanine pairs with cytosine with 3 hydrogen bonds, that is 90 into 3 is 120. Just add those two, you will get 390 hydrogen bonds. Easy, right? So here 300 nucleotides and 390 hydrogen bonds. Option 1 will be the correct answer. So with this question, what we have to realize, it is not on how much concept that you know, it is on how much you are able to apply the concept which you have learned. Okay, so stay tuned for coming shots.